In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check block list on LinkedIn. If you've ever blocked someone on LinkedIn and want to review who's on that list, or just want to double check your privacy settings, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll do this on a desktop browser so everything matches what you see on screen. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn. This is a simple way to get to the site if you don't have it bookmarked. In the results, click the official LinkedIn website. Make sure the link points to linkedin.com so you know you're going to the right place. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your account settings. Once you're on LinkedIn, look at the top navigation bar. Click the Me option. It's the one with your profile picture and a small drop-down arrow. This opens a menu with account and profile controls. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all of your account preferences, including privacy and visibility controls. On the Settings and Privacy page, you'll see categories on the left side. Click Visibility. Think of this section as your control center for who can see your activity, your profile details, and how you appear to others on the platform. It's the right place to go whenever you want to manage how people interact with you on LinkedIn. Within the Visibility section, look for Blocked Members and click it. This opens the dedicated page for your block list. Here, you'll see every account you've blocked on LinkedIn. It's a straightforward list, making it easy to review at a glance. This is helpful if you're auditing your privacy, clearing out old entries you no longer need, or simply confirming that certain profiles can't view your information or contact you. A couple of quick tips as you review this page. Blocking on LinkedIn is private, so people aren't notified when you add them to this list. Blocked members can't see your profile, message you, or interact with your content. If you ever decide to change your settings later, you'll start here to review your current list before making any updates. That's all there is to it. You went from Google to LinkedIn, to your account menu, into Settings and Privacy, then Visibility, and finally to Blocked Members, where your full block list is displayed. Keeping an eye on this page from time to time is a good habit for staying in control of your online presence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your LinkedIn privacy with confidence.